guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my Cantu hair routine. Just a quick disclaimer. So what works for my hair might not work for yours. So that's what experimenting is all about, just to find the products that would work well with your hair. I did a lot of research, reading, and experimenting till I found something that worked well for me. So I would recommend you guys getting samples or little mini versions of a product line before investing into a whole line, just to make sure it works well for you and your hair type and your porosity. So when I started my curly hair journey, my hair was destroyed. It was fried from all the chemicals I put in my hair, like chemically straightening it, from dyeing it, bleaching it, and even straightening it every day. So it took me about 2 years to get to where I am now, and it's not even 100%. The two main products that I used during my transition, and it was the only products I knew about then, was the Cantu and Shea Moisture. And yes, during that time, the first couple of months during my transition, it was horrible. My hair was horrible and didn't even curl. It was in a very bad state. I hated my hair during that time, but all that patience and waiting really pays off when you get it to the state that you never thought you would get. So these babies really helped me out in the past couple of years and months, kept my hair soft and moisturized. I wanted to show you guys my routine and using the Cantu product lines. The first stage of my routine, I will shampoo with the Cantu cleansing cream shampoo and condition with the hydrating cream conditioner. So what I do is, shampoo, everyone knows how to shampoo, but when I condition my hair, and this is when I brush my hair and detangle it when the conditioner is on. Just got out of the shower, I shampooed and conditioned and detangled my hair. Finally, my hair is fresh. If your hair isn't already soaking wet, you can use a water spray and just make sure it's soaking. The results is so much better when it's soaking wet hair. If you start with frizzy hair, it will continue to be frizzy. Now that your hair is soaking wet, we can start with the moisturizing cream. This really keeps my hair moisturized for days. So now that I have the moisturizing cream, I will rake it all over my hair. Super thick. I always go back to Cantu because the results are always the same. I know what to expect. Seems like my hair really loves it. So now that the moisturizing cream is on, I raked it through my hair, made sure it's everywhere. What I do now is take my denim brush and brush it, make sure it really helps distribute the product throughout my hair. Honestly, I love this brush ever since I used it a year ago. It makes my hair have the curl ringlets I like when styling. This brush is best for styling. I wouldn't recommend it for detangling, maybe just distributing the product. Now that the cream is everywhere, start styling my hair with the denim brush. So I go upward and then give it a little shake after I brush it. Then move it to the side. You can do smaller sections to get more clumps of curls, but due to time, I want this to be quick and fast. So brush outwards and do a little shake. I'm gonna scratch and do the other side. So I like big clumps, and then I'll split them up later. Now that I'm done with adding the cream, the moisturizing cream, and I'm done styling it with the denim brush, I use the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. And then I do like a praying hand method. Scrunch, and you want to hear this noise. That means your hair is still soaking. It has all this product in. So now that I am done, I will take a microfiber towel. It's best to use a microfiber towel or a cotton shirt because it won't make your hair frizzy. And then I just scrunch it, get rid of the extra product and water. Ta-da! So I'm done now. What I do is I let it air dry until I feel there's this gel cast, and then I diffuse. This is the result of my Cantu hair routine. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.